First one, in an opinion poll right before an election, a sample of 30 voters is obtained. The number of the voters in the sample who support Alliance Party is denoted by A. So in context, what must be assumed of A to be well modeled by binomial distribution? I think this is a very common kind of real life scenario. In order for it to be a actual binomial distribution, right, you have to make sure that, like, let's say for example, if the voters are family members or friends, right, they may affect each other's vote decisions, right? So that's why you don't want them to come together. So I think the first thing to assume is that each voter's decision for whether to support Alliance Party or not is independent of another. And then the second one is obviously for all the voters, they have a constant rate of voting. All of them will have equal rate of voting party, the Alliance Party. That's the first step. I think the second one, assume that A has a distribution of a binomial distribution of 30 and P. Given that P is 0.5, I think it's pretty okay. Part 2. P is 0.5, so part 2, we have A, binomial distribution of 30 and 0.15. So this case here, if either PA equals to 3 or 4, will mean that PA equals to 3 plus PA equals to 4. Okay. Or you can see it as P between 3 and 4 inclusive. So just key in calculator, so you get the same answer. So let's look at part 3. Part 3 will have for an unknown value of P is given that PA equals to 15. Correct to 5 decimal places. Show that P satisfy an equation in the form of this guy. So where K is a constant to be determined. Okay, great. So now you unknown value of P. So now you have A, binomial 30 trials and success rate of P. So we given that PA is given by 15 is equals to 0.06864. You have 30 trials, and then your number of successful trials is 15. So you have P to the power 15 times non-success will be 30 minus 15, which is 15 also. The number way to arrange it is 13 choose 15. Okay, you just refer to MF26 to write this out. So this will be 0.06864. 30 choose 15 is a huge number, so I'm gonna just put this guy here below. Just divide. That's P15, 1 minus P. So I could just 1 minus P, power 15, right? Then 15 root. Key calculator. It'll give us P1 minus P 0.23789. Okay. So hence K is equals to 0.238. You asked to solve for P, right? Then after they say ask to solve for P, suitable degree of accuracy, I think just leave in 3SF, P less than 0.5. P less than 0.5. So this case here, we have just expand this guy here. It will be P minus P square equals to 0.2378999. This is P square minus P 0.237899990 from GC. Solve this value here, quadratic equation. You have P equals to 0.6100 or 0.38999. So reject as P was less than 0.5. So hence P is equals to 0. 390. Okay, so P, there you go. So I sub K and a P there.